Hey YouTube, back again. It's Daddy Scott with Airsoft unboxing today from Airsoft Megastore. Costed $58, I believe. Got it from Airsoft Megastore. I'm actually kind of surprised. Took a while to get here, but I'm kind of excited. So I guess I might as well open it, huh? Cross out my shipping information and whatnot. I hate doing this one hand. Oh, there it goes. Ah. Oh, sharp ass knife. This is what I mostly carry. It's Elf King. Elf Monkey. Something like that. Elf Monkey, yeah. Oh, shit. Alright. Yeah, and by the way, I haven't opened this at all. This is first time opening it. Oh, I can already see there's any shipping information. And this is like warranty and quick tips. Don't care. Packing. And there it is. Kind of excited. Ooh, it's heavy. Very heavy. Ooh. It's a wind gun revolver. It's a 4-inch barrel. It's all they had on sale. They didn't have anything else, or else I would have bought, 6-inch. Do like the color I got, though. So, I mean, that's good. That's always really good. Sorry, I'm trying not to hit my gun. Oh, wow. No barrel plug. That's good. Oh, wow. This thing's heavy. Solid feeling. Oh, wow. It's kind of, I don't know. I don't like the barrel length, but like I said, I got it for a really good deal. So, I mean, I'm not going to bitch about it, Ooh, the thing's not hard to get open. Alright, hope you guys like this unboxing. Couldn't do a review on it if you would like. It's a wind gun. Sport Series 701. It's black. Gunmetal gray, whatever you want to call it. Thanks guys for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, whatever. If you want to see a review, let me know. Thanks. Goodbye.